Did you know that if you spell an Italian word with or without a double consonant, the meaning might change dramatically? Let's take a look. Here's a few examples. Sete. Sete means thirst. If we add an extra T in there, it becomes sette. Now, sette means 7. The pronunciation and the sound of these words changes as well. Here's another one. Coro means chorus, and corro means I run. Pala means shovel. Palla is a ball. Papa means pope. Pappa is baby food. There is nono, which means ninth, and then there is nonno, which means grandpa. Same thing, nonna means also ninth, but in the female version, and then nonna is grandma. Casa, home. Cassa, cash register. Fato, fate. Fatto can mean fact or I'm done. Here's a funny one. Anno means year, but then there is anno. I'll let you Google this one. And to finish off in beauty, we have penne, which means pens, or maybe even the penne pasta. And then we have penne. I'll let you Google this one as well. Toodaloo.